How to fix black screen while gaming on Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to apply the latest updates. Simply press or right click on your Windows button. Click on Settings icon. Now navigate to Windows Update at bottom left. Now click on Check for updates at top right and download and install if any available updates. And then you need to simply restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Second method is you need to update graphics drivers. Right click on your Windows button, open the device manager option. Now display adapters you need to locate and expand it. Now you need to locate your graphics card and right click on it and choose update driver. Now click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows Find it install the latest version. After that, you need to restart your device or computer to apply the changes. Finally, you can easily open Device Manager again and then you need to expand display editors as above and right click on your graphic card and select uninstall device. And you need to simply click on uninstall or check mark attempt to remove the driver for this device and then click on install and then reinstall your device or graphics drivers. By following this all the steps, you should fix black screen while gaming on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.